Chinese garages remain the new heroes of Jamaican car repairs. Welcome, welcome. You're tuned into Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we keep you in the loop with the latest happenings across Jamaica, revamped, recharged, and delivered with a touch of humor. Today, we're tackling a heated debate that has Jamaican car owners clutching their wallets and questioning their life choices: the Chinese garage versus local mechanic showdown. Before we dive into the madness, like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill. And remember, smile because life is too serious to take seriously. The Great Mechanic Mystery: why are we still suffering? Breaking news. Jamaican car owners are officially fed up. The same repairs, the same problems, the same overpriced bills, but somehow, the car is still struggling like it just ran a marathon in reverse. For years, local mechanics have been running the ultimate hustle, charging top dollar for repairs that somehow never actually fix anything. You bring in your car for a simple issue, and suddenly you need a new engine, 4 tires, a transmission, and a prayer circle. Meanwhile, the Chinese garages have entered the chat, offering fast, affordable, and shockingly competent service. And just like that, Jamaican mechanics are sweating bullets, realizing that their fix it today, break it tomorrow business model might finally be exposed. Chinese garages, the unexpected savior? Jamaican car owners have been flocking to Chinese-run garages, praising their efficiency, honesty, and reasonable prices. But of course, the government stepped in, shutting down some of these businesses for operating without proper permits. Now, the big debate is whether these garages will be allowed to continue, or if Jamaican mechanics will get back to business as usual, aka charging you for parts they never actually installed. Development experts are saying that forcing companies to hire only Jamaicans could drive up costs. Meanwhile, trade unionists are calling out the government, saying they've failed to protect Jamaican workers. But let's be real, Jamaican car owners aren't worried about politics. They just want their cars fixed without feeling like they've been robbed in broad daylight. The real question: will local mechanics step up? With Chinese garages shaking up the industry, Jamaican mechanics have 2 choices. 1. Step up their game and actually fix cars properly for fair prices. 2. Keep running the same hustle and hope nobody notices. Attorney Clive Monroe Jr. has urged Jamaican mechanics to upgrade their skills to remain competitive. But let's be honest, some of them are too busy charging people for imaginary repairs to worry about skill upgrades. Jamaican car owners are tired of the madness. If Chinese garages meet legal requirements, they could force local mechanics to finally do their jobs right and properly too. For now, Jamaica Bulletin Board is officially rooting for the consumer, because nobody should have to pay for the same repair 5 times while their car still sounds like it's begging for mercy. That's it for today's Jamaica Bulletin Board commentary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course, smile because life is too serious to take seriously.